Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. It's been a while since I did a review, and a lot has happened. I'm tired. Anyway, I say that because I kind of blanked there. I don't know if you noticed me pausing. I was like, what am I doing? This is Oddbird. This is their For the Birds. It's an IPA. It is 6.5% alcohol by volume. They date their crowlers by month. So 10, 20, 23. It was crowler this month. Yeah. I picked this up not this past weekend, but the weekend before. Was it the weekend before or was it 2 weeks ago? I don't know. Oh no, it was last weekend. Yeah. So I picked this up a week ago. A little over a week ago. Like 8 days ago. 9 days ago. Something. So yeah. I'm gonna pour this over here. As soon as I went to pour a little bit more, I knew that was going to happen. Oh, God. Yeah. That looks nice. Slightly hazy, but you can definitely see through it. And it's a yellowish golden color. That is finger of a nice kind of like sudsy head. There's some pretty big bubbles in there, but there's also some pretty small bubbles as well. Let's see what it smells like. It almost smells like there's coffee in it. That's why I kind of smelled it, because I was getting like kind of like hints of coffee. But I don't believe there's coffee in this. Plum comes to mind. There is like a piney little cat pee, I think. It is a little maybe not cat pee. I don't know if there's mosaic in this. I don't know. But it's similar to that. There is a little bit of that. It smells really interesting. Like I said, it smells like there's a little bit of coffee in it. There's something, my brain wants to say plum, but like underripe plum. You know, when you get like a hard plum and you bite into it, it's a little bitter. It's a little bit of that. Yeah, I can't stop focusing on that coffee thing. So let's see what it tastes like, because I am super interested. I'm almost 100% sure there's no coffee in this though. So cheers. Yeah, no coffee. I really like Oddbird. I really like the things that they do. There is a this is super interesting. I don't know if this is their take on like a West Coast style, because there is a little bit of West Coast style something going on in there. I think there's some Pilsner malt in here, because there's a little bit of like a lager, something that reminds me of a lager in here. So I think it's Pilsner malt. Yeah, it's very earthy, herbaceous. There's like and that coffee thing is kind of in there, but it's definitely not coffee. But it is like because the way, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I haven't had I've had like 2 days. Well, I haven't even had 2 days where I didn't have anything to do in like the last 10 days. So, been just going hard. Yeah. This is I got this specifically to review because I know Oddbird likes to do things a little differently, so I always like to try their IPAs and stuff, even though I haven't had that many. Because usually when I go, I like to try them and stuff, but usually they have such good other stuff on that I don't even get to it because I'm just like, I want to drink all the other things. So I get stuff to go when I can. Yeah. Go away. Clara, stop. No, Clara. Not until you're better.
Are you done?
Not yet.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway. Yeah. Claire's being very bad because she hasn't been in here for over a week. Like 2 weeks at this point now. And she really likes coming in here. But she's having some potty issues, so she can't come in here. Even though I don't think she would pee in here. Just in case. We got enough going on already. Clara. Excuse me. Clara, I'll be right out. I'm sorry. This is how it has to be. This is less of a review and more of me talking to Clara. Kind of a channel update, really. There is a fruitiness going on in here, but it's like pear, because it's kind of like, it's weird. Like, it's really good, but it's weird because grape, maybe some like white grape skin, something. Yeah, because there's like different things that I would characterize as different styles. So like that grapey thing, grape. What was the other fucking thing I said? My memory is shot too. Can't fucking remember anything. Whatever I said before the grape thing. I can't even taste it and be like, oh, that's what I said. Because like that, I would like attribute to like a saison, and then the Pilsner malt is what I'm assuming that is. Attribute that to like a lager, whatever. At least the way it's coming across in this, and then there is that like West Coast style kind of like, it's subtle, but there are that thing. There is that thing in here. So it's super interesting. It's a crowler, but they like, and I literally just thought of this the other day after I left there. The guy there, I've talked to him every time, a little bit at least, every time I've gone there, and I never asked him his name. I have no idea what his name is. And he might have said it before, but I don't remember anything anymore. But like names, I'm usually good with. So once I find out his name, I will know his name. But yeah, I've talked to him other times, and he said that these things are good up to a month. So I'm not worried about the quality or anything of the crowler. Man, I washed my hands after I got home from work, but I still got fucking dirt all over them. Yeah. The bitterness is getting bigger as I drink it. This is a long review, I'm sorry. Lots of things going on right now. But yeah. Maybe some like, there is like it's like orange marmalade without the sweetness thing. It is a little bit drying. Yeah. A little bit. Little touch of dryness. But yeah, I think this is long enough. So, it's really good. If you don't know Oddbird, you should check them out. They're in Stockton, New Jersey, which is a little town. They're about an hour. They're just over an hour from here. Like an hour and 15 minutes, maybe. Maybe a little less. But yeah, they do great things. They're one of the like tiny breweries that I really enjoy, because they're tiny and they can do like cool things and not have to do like hype things to stay afloat. They do cool little things, whatever. I don't know. I'm exhausted. I feel like, I don't know. The reviews will get better in a few days. I promise. Once I get back into the swing of things. Get used to working again. That means it's been 15 minutes, so it's been way too long. So yeah. I hope you're all doing well. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you would like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram, 93lumber. That's spelled out, 93lumber. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers.